This is the part of the spring cleaning process where you start to question all of your life decisions. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy and today we are starting the spring cleaning process. Obviously there's the regular maintenance things that I do around the house that always need to be done, but to be honest, there's one chaotic room that has motivated this video, and that would be our master closet. I recently had my fiance take all my old winter clothes out of storage so that I could start swapping the closet, but I never actually got around to swapping the closet, mostly because I realized how much stuff I have now, and usually I'm really good at getting rid of anything and everything, like I'm really minimal, but not with my clothing. There's something about clothes that makes me want to hold on to them. I feel like there's always an opportunity to use something or wear something. Like the stuff that I don't want, I'm like, oh, I'll just get that dirty when I'm doing gardening, painting, or housework with bleach. So this will be an adventure. To be honest, I already deep cleaned the rug runner for this room, but it's so messy that I can't even put it back down. So should I just expose myself already? Okay, let me show you what's going on. Okay, so this is the master closet. I've just got tubs and tubs of clothes on the ground. Everything is like all unorganized. Got shoes that don't fit on the shoe rack. I just really need to minimize and swap everything out and put some stuff in storage. This is honestly my personal nightmare. So the first step is to try to clear out as much as I possibly can. When you have a huge mess like this, you kind of just have to start somewhere. And the best place to start is to usually get a trash bag, a donation bag, and a storage bag, or at least that's where I'm starting. If you don't feel like you're gonna have any items for storage or donations or trash, you can just exempt that bag, but I feel like I'm gonna have all three. So basically, trash items are gonna be the clothing that really shouldn't even be donated. If you've ever talked to anyone who works at a thrift store, you'll actually know it's a big pain when you get donated stuff that's not worth their time. So before you donate something, think, would I buy this again if I were needing something like this? So yeah, maybe it doesn't resonate with you anymore or your style, but for someone who it does, would it be worth their purchase? Because if not, you shouldn't be donating it. It's trash. Then obviously, donations are the things that I don't resonate with anymore, but I feel like someone else might like. Then the storage items are gonna be things that I only use in the winter time or the fall time, so basically things that I'm not gonna be using all throughout the summer. And I'm actually gonna need a final bag for items that I'm going to sell. So the difference between the items that I'm going to sell and the items that I'm going to donate is probably the wear and tear. If it's practically new or a really good brand that's in really good shape, I feel like selling it might be worth your while. So let's start sorting. Okay, so we have phase one done. I've basically gone through all of my hung clothes and I put all the stuff away for storage. So basically all the winter stuff is mostly out of the way. I still need to put some coats in a storage closet, and then we're gonna get to hanging some of the summer stuff that I'm keeping up. And then hopefully that'll get a lot of the stuff off the floor. Okay, so I've been doing this for a couple hours now and I'm exhausted and I feel like I've made it worse. This is the part of the spring cleaning process where you start to question all of your life decisions. There is so much going on here, it's not even funny. I don't know why I thought this would clean up a lot faster. Okay, I'm gonna try to take some of the stuff that's going in storage and move it out because I'm already done with these bags. Okay, so moving them out of the closet helped a lot. Now I'm gonna try to pick up over here a bit. Okay, so this is the best I could do with the closet for now, but the floor is completely clear. I've got all the shoes back on the shoe rack. Both of the mirrors are wiped down. All of my summer clothes are hung up, and then I have my new carry-on up here, and we've thrown away my old carry-on. Down here I'm keeping all my like tiny tops, like my tube tops and stuff that I don't want to waste a hanger on, and also just some other tank tops that don't really go well on a hanger. Then over here we have all of the other things like my bras, jeans and shorts, skirts, socks and panties, bathing suits and fuzzy socks, workout clothes, sweatshirts, PJ sets, sweatpants, and pajama sets. I obviously struggle to get rid of things, but I really do love all the things that I have. I'm gonna see what all I wear this summer and try to get rid of some more. But it does feel really good just to be able to walk in my closet again. Honestly, having all those bins and clothes scattered everywhere was just so stressful. But hopefully by next summer we'll have our dream home built and I'll have my dream closet, which I'm designing that myself, so I can really design it for everything I have, so I'm not feeling like it's hard to organize everything. And by then, hopefully I'll have more of an idea of my personal style and I'll feel more confident getting rid of things. Right now I just feel like I have so many different styles that I love, and I love wearing all of the different types of clothes, so it really feels impossible to get rid of some things sometimes. But I am so happy to have my closet spring cleaned. It is just night and day difference. Now let's do the bathroom. And for the last part of the spring cleaning video, I changed the bedding over to the summer and spring bedding. The sheets are pink and white stripes, and the duvet cover is pastel yellow, which actually matches my iPad. And Lewis is just playing with his lobster tail. Thank you guys so much for watching today's spring cleaning video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.